Hi everybody! Today we will show you Finance City next to the Istanbul Finance Center. It is located in Asian side of Istanbul in Ataşehir. Istanbul is well-known central hub for culture, tourism and trade. Finance Center will be trade center of Istanbul. It's like New York, London and Singapore. Today we will view two apartments in Finance City. Finance City is walking distance to Istanbul Finance Center. End of 2026, there will be new metro line M12, which will be connected to Marmaray, M4 and M5 metro lines. Finance Center is employing 120,000 people. Finance City provides 2,700 units with apartments and commercial type units. It is between two metro stations. It has city park, shopping center, facilities like gym, basketball courts, biking trails, and primary schools. Finance City has multiple phases. We will show from last phase of the project.
Hello everyone, today we are in the Finance City. We are going to show you one bedroom apartment. We have nice garden here. You can see it's about 10 square meter. It's private use. And then we have an access to the living room here with the open kitchen. It is nearly 25 square meters in here. We have Teka brand appliances, you can see, and also dishwasher here. Nicely done kitchen. And from the entrance we have nice bathroom here. It's a nice quality, you can see. It's nice. I'm gonna get out and my friend will show you. And then we have nice bedroom here. It is 17 square meter. You have access to the balcony from here as well. The next to the street there will be another construction. The view will be nicer. So you can access to here, like you can even put your desk or your kids can play from here as well.
We will go top floor now.
Alright, now we're in the 2 bedrooms penthouse. We have this nice big 130 square meter terrace. And also this terrace also has the Finance City view. You can see. We will start from the kitchen. We have separate kitchen from here. Again, we have nice appliances and countertop color. You can see. And then from here, we have 30 square meter living room. Again, we have nice city view here, the Finance City view. Also, we have an access to the terrace from this side. All rooms has air conditioner. We have first bathroom here. This apartment has 2 bathrooms. This is also first bedroom here. Again, it's looking to the Finance City. It has very nice view. Here we have master bedroom. It has its own bathroom as well. And then this is about 20 square meter. And this is the view also looking to the Finance City.
Investment of a beautiful city is not just a capital control. Also provides citizenship and residency options. We find best property for you that meets with your criteria and negotiate on behalf of you. Our legal team check all details and can handle all steps for you without you having any pressure. Once title deed transfer is done, our services don't end. We offer full-scale renovation and professional property management to protect and grow your investment. Now it is your turn to contact us and have a great experience of our services.